Airline hacks revealed 6 ways they trick passengers. You've walked through them 100 times. Glowing floors, friendly announcements, overpriced coffee everywhere. But what if I told you airports aren't just travel hubs? They're carefully engineered machines, full of hidden traps, silent watchers, and secrets you were never meant to know. Today we're uncovering 5 of the most guarded truths airlines hope you'll never figure out. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a bonus tip that could save your sanity the next time you fly. Number 1. The free seat that isn't free at all. You're rushing through the terminal, your phone's at 3%, and there it is. A quiet seat with a charging port right next to security. Jackpot, right? Not exactly. Some of these cozy airport seats are more than just a place to rest. They're prime surveillance spots, like with discreet cameras or hidden microphones quietly monitoring the area. While you're scrolling, texting, or venting about your trip, someone could be collecting more than just your boarding pass data. So next time you see an empty chair in a perfect spot, remember, it might be perfect for someone else too. Number 2, the floors that control you. Ever notice how your pace suddenly slows down after security, even if you're in a rush? That's not by accident. Many airports switch from hard tile floors to soft carpet at key choke points. It's called cognitive friction, a psychological trick that subtly slows your steps, calms your mood, and makes you easier to manage in crowded areas. It feels like comfort, but in reality, it's control. And while you're unconsciously adjusting your speed, there's another hidden danger most passengers never think twice about. Number 3, the filthy fountain trap. You've just cleared security, you're sweaty, tired, and your bottle's empty. A water fountain feels like a lifesaver, but it could actually be a health hazard. Many airport fountains go days, sometimes weeks, without a proper cleaning. Hidden inside are layers of mold, bacteria, and biofilm that thrive where thousands of travelers press that same button every single day. Studies have found some fountains dirtier than the average gas station bathroom. So while that free sip looks refreshing, it might be serving up more than just water. Sometimes paying too much for bottled water is actually the safer choice, and your immune system will thank you once you land. But the water isn't the only thing watching you. Number 4, the traveler watch list. Think you're just another face in the crowd? Not exactly. Behind the smiles at the gate, staff already know who you are before you step up. Airlines keep quiet profiles on certain travelers, VIPs, frequent flyers, and yeah, even passengers who've caused trouble before. Maybe you argued at baggage claim once. Maybe you pushed too hard at check-in. Don't be surprised if you get a few extra stares next time. It's not paranoia, it's protocol. Your meltdown doesn't disappear, it follows you. And while they're keeping an eye on you, your luggage is going through a secret journey of its own. Number 5, the X-ray you never see. You wave goodbye to your suitcase at the check-in counter and picture it rolling down a belt to meet you at the plane. But the truth, your bag takes a detour into a high-tech security labyrinth. Every piece of luggage is scanned by machines powerful enough to detect traces of explosives, hidden compartments, and even unusual chemical signatures inside your belongings. It's not just about spotting a knife or a bottle of liquid. These scanners build a digital profile of everything in your bag in seconds. By the time it reaches the conveyor belt you see, your suitcase has already passed a test most passengers don't even know exists. And while your luggage is being quietly judged, airlines are playing a much more obvious game with you. Bonus trick: the hidden bathroom hack. When you land, everyone rushes straight to the first bathroom near arrivals. Big mistake. That restroom is the busiest, dirtiest, and most stressful one in the whole airport. The smarter move: walk just a little deeper into the terminal. You'll find cleaner, emptier bathrooms with no lines. Stocked, quiet, and way less chaotic. It's the easiest travel hack you'll ever use, and it'll save you from ending your trip in a stampede. So there you have it. The secrets airlines would rather keep hidden. If you found this eye-opening, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips right here on Airport Survival Guide. Until next time, travel smart and stay ahead of the tricks.